Okay, folks, keep your eyes open on this one. I was lucky, and you'll see right here why I was. Oh, that's bad. That's bad right there. That's bad. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm on it. I'm on it. Almost, guys. Almost. Okay, folks, if you don't think I was just about shitting my britches there, I came around that corner, saw that car, freaked out, was fishtailing. Luckily, it slowed down before I came around that corner. If I hadn't, I would have been in a world of shit. Wouldn't have been able to save it. So, anyways, folks, be careful out there. Expect the unexpected and slow down whenever you see the snow because if you don't, it's going to bite you in the ass. If you like my video, subscribe, click like, share with your friends, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think.